What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm at the headquarters summing up my RV staircase fabrication design. I'm actually letting it finish dry now. Pretty much got my finishing touches on it. Got to add my wood, which I stained out there. It's drying. And that's pretty much it. Once it dries, we install the wood. It's a done deal. It'll be going up right beside an RV. Actually, a fifth wheel RV, actually. This is 5 steps because the top step actually is 35 inches from the floor. So, just wanted to give you an update. Not gonna keep you that long. Just wanted to show you the finished touches. This is a khaki color. So it's gonna be khaki and stained wood. Hold on.